Today we're going to be installing a wiretap into the mirror for a radar detector. So obviously the first step is to get one of these harnesses. Now the first step is to take out this cover here. So if you have a pick or something, it just sort of slides out, you just pop it off. There's also a second little mini cover here to take off the entire thing. So you want to open it from the left side. Just pry it open from the left. You have a little indent right over here you can hook in, and then you can use your hand to just tighten it and loosen it. Once that's done, just slide it out from the back. You don't have to be super delicate. So once you are here, you are gonna see this, well, this is the power plug that you want to use. So the first thing you can do is just untap that, just press it and pull it. Now you also want to take out this tab. You can access it from the other side. I'll show you here. So here's a better view. You can see that push tab, and you can access it from the back. You can use sort of a pick to pull down one of these prongs so that you can actually take it out. I think I'll need two hands, so I don't think I can record this. Okay, once you do that, you now have plenty of access to this harness. So you can see the wires from here, whichever orientation. You've got the red and you've got the black in the middle. Those are the two things that you're going to tap into. And a red to the red here, like so. And hopefully we're gonna test it. So I'm gonna take out this plug and just put the card to accessory position. Looks like I skipped physics class because I forgot to plug this in. Of course it's not gonna work. There you go. Boom. That was pretty easy. Alrighty. What's an F? Okay folks, we are all done here. Everything's put back together and this is the final install. This is how it looks. It looks really nice and sleek. You can basically not see any wiring, which is exactly what I wanted. It looks nice. OEM Plus kind of look. Of course it's way better than, having one of these dangling around in the middle of nowhere. So I'm really happy at how it turned out. It's a pretty easy process. Took about 10 minutes. Just put, take this cover off and put the red to red, black to black, and it should be good to go. You have a little more room here if you want to move the detector, or if not, you can just go ahead and tuck it in. Yeah, I hope this guide helped anyone else. I don't see any out there for our TLX generation, but thanks for watching and leave a like.